Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your wigs lay flat. So this wig is from my hair company Gansey Fame. I made the wig myself. It comes with 3 combs, an elastic band just as my client requested. All our wigs come with combs and elastic band if you want. Otherwise they will come without it. I add it for free, so there is no extra increase in the price for you if you get it or if you do not get it. So this is the wig. As you can see, straight from making it, I already bleached the knots, washed the hair, deep conditioned the hair, and now it's time to pluck and style it. So the main purpose of this video is to show you guys how I make the wig lay flat using one product. So I'm not going to spend too much time in showing you guys how I pluck the wig, but as you can see, I just sprayed some water to, make the hair a little damp and like lay so I can see what I'm working with, and then I'll start plucking. If you want me to do a detailed video on how I pluck, let me know, but I actually have plans of making an e-learning tutorial that is going to be so much affordable for you guys. So just stay tuned for that, and if you want more information about how I pluck, let me know. So guys, after I was working on this wig for a minute, I realized my camera stopped recording. So I apologize for that, but what I did was I just cut the hair around the sides and laid them down using the GF Cosmetic Slick Me Down stick. So see how I try to work on this part that has no product on it, and you see it doesn't lay flat like I want it to. So I'm going to put a little bit of the product. This is the GF Cosmetics Slick Stick. I'm going to put a little bit and then now go on with my Andes hot comb and see how that lays flat. You guys, this product is the bomb. It is so amazing. It does not leave any oily residue. It's not oily, but it does the job perfectly. So just watch and see how this product works. A little bit goes a long way. You don't have to put too much, just a little bit, and use your hot comb. So this product can be purchased from www.ganseyfame.com/gfcosmetics. So if you want yours, you can get yours right now. We are currently doing a surprise Christmas sale. So I don't know what this kind is going on, but you only have to add your stuff to your cart, then you see the sale. And the sale is valid for everything on our website, from wigs to our products, hair and skincare products, to everything on our website. So head over to www.ganseyfame.com to get you some. Otherwise, as you can see, this is it, and that's all I do to get my wigs flat. I know some people like to mold their wigs down with like molding spray or mousse and tie it down to make it lay flat, but honey, you don't have to do that. This literally took me the entire process took me 30 minutes before fast forwarding it for the video, and the 30 minutes includes plucking, styling, cutting, pretty much everything. So just stay tuned and watch me style this wig. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please do us a favor and subscribe. And I hope you guys love it, and let me know down in the comment section what kind of videos you would like me to make for you guys. Thanks again so much, and I'll see you guys later.